Very tiny Walmart.
It was actually empty last night.
But it was nice. Security cameras.
Quiet.
Feel safe. Very quiet.
And the AT&T right next to us. And now we got about 6 hours of driving until we get back to St. Joe. So here we go.
Annie is resting. Saving her energy. Is it moving now?
I don't think so.
There's a plane right out here. I swear I've been looking at it for like a minute and it has not moved in the frickin' sky.
Is it just going a different way and it's tricking your...
I don't know. I swear I sat there and looked at it though for a minute.
I did too. Look, an amusement park. It's not moving.
It's not moving.
How's that possible? An airplane can't stop in the sky.
What?
I can't see it no more. Hey, look, an amusement park.
What the hell? What the hell is that? That's weird. Oh my god, that was weird. So while we have the camera on, what'd you think about Six Flags over Dallas?
Like 5 rides was not open.
Yeah, that was disappointing.
2 of the best coasters was closed for the season, but they just started holiday in the park until January.
Right.
So you would think they would tell you that before they charge you to get in full price.
Kind of a bummer, but that's just our luck every time we go to Six Flags. It seems like 2 or 3 of the rides are not working, some of the best ones in the park. And
3 different Six Flags now.
yeah,
And
we
every
went to
time,
California about 6-8 months ago. Like 3 of their best coasters were down. But I mean, you know, they don't really tell you about that kind of thing before you get in. But it was still fun. The lights were really cool. It was really cool to see, you know, Six Flags lit up like for Christmas and everything.
it was different.
Yeah,
Never seen an amusement park.
it was still fun.
Christmas.
They had a couple really awesome coasters that we've never rode before. So
Yeah, one was fast.
yeah.
It felt like it did 100 miles an hour. It was faster than the Mamba. What was it? The Titan.
Yeah.
It was pretty. It wasn't technically. It was a hybrid. It was
Right.
wood, but it has a
Had
steel
steel rails.
Steel
so
rails.
It was really smooth.
It was smooth and fast.
And it was pretty long too.
It was long.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome. I
What
love
was
that
that?
one.
The new Giant. The new Giant.
Texas, big
The new
Texas.
Texas Giant. You have a shirt.
Yeah, I bought a shirt because it was my favorite one. But overall, I mean, yeah, we didn't have a hard time getting in. We had our tickets on our phone, and
We parked in the park in an RV.
it was very good location. I mean, we got to park right up front next to a little park where we could walk the dog around. So that was cool. Andy liked that.
$30 though to park an RV.
Yeah, $30 to park. Just to park. Alright, well, we'll see you guys when we get a little bit closer to home.
Back to St. Joe, about what, 6:30.
Don't show my messy house. house. Everything tipped over.
We're gonna plug in the cable and the power and get ready to watch Supergirl.
Eat some dinner.
Yeah, we're hungry.
Good.
Feed the kids.
Oh,
Chloe, are you mad?
Walk by her. What were you thinking?
Okay. See you next time.